Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's Michael's grab bag time again. If you saw my haul yesterday, then you would see that I got some great stuff and wanted to go back and get a few more bags, probably because I'm addicted to opening stuff. So, how did that get in there? It's like, how did a receipt get in there? But let's see what we've got. Of course, another bag of stuff. And there is some kind of mouse. Look at that. Not a mouse, a cat. Alright, let's just open these up. What is this? Oh, it's a big, huge... It's a unicorn cat. How cute is that? It's a mask. Oh my gosh. I love that so much. That makes it all worth it. Alright, let's see what we got here. We've got some more of the bows that were $3 each. I got 4 bows. And let's see. I'm going to take it out of one bag and put it in another. We've got a little bow of, I don't know, just a thing. What is it called? A stem. A Christmas stem. What is this? Oh, another cup. Oh, I hope that, I don't think the things to it are there. But that's alright. I have lids. It's a nice large one. Oh, look at this. Let's see if you can see it. It says, "Love my rescue. Rescued and loved." It's a necklace and a collar charm. It's a 2-piece pet and me jewelry. It was originally $9.99. How cute! Little Stan Lee's going to wear that because he is a little rescue animal. What's this furry thing? Oh, it looks like it's whatever it is. Oh, it used to be a mermaid tail, but it looks like it's broken. It's a backpack charm, but I'm sure we could break it even more and just have a little poof ball. And another Hanukkah. It says love there. And then what's this? Oh, I think that's How to Train Your Dragon. So, yep. How to Train Your Dragon napkins. And then a little pick. Just a little pick. It looks like, it's cute, whatever it is. It looks like Dr. Seuss. Alright, that is one bag, so I have 3 bags. And let's see what is in this bag. Now, this bag definitely has some picks in it. And I was peeking and I saw what looked to be antlers. And so that is really what I was looking at. But now I'm looking. Oh my goodness. Look at this. How cute. Oh. The next pick. These are all Christmas little picks, and they were $6 each. But how cute. This one you can't turn because it's too heavy. Little unicorn. But these are the antlers that I saw. Look at that. All these little antlers. I thought would just be super adorable for crafts and wrapping, like Christmas gift wrapping. So I got a bunch of those, which is what I saw, and I thought that was worth it. Each of those picks were $5. We've got a squishy mouse. Well, it says mouse. Looks like a dog. It was originally $12. Then it was clearanced at $1.97 and nobody wanted it. What else do we have in here? Slime. Drizzle slime. Originally $8. Gone on clearance for $1.97. Another one of these guys. Oh, this is kind of broken. That's going to have to go right in the trash because it's a hand-blown ornament. Oh, I'm just going to stick that right in the trash because I don't want anybody to get hurt. But I think I saw another one. Did that one get broken? Nope, that one's not broken. It's a cute little ornament there. Oh, there's another one. What are these? These are foam stickers. They say peace on earth. Oh, they're little doves and stars. And looks like the wise men. Oh, so cute. There's a round sticker there. I bet that, yep. There's a little baby Jesus in there. What? Oh, we got more stickers. This one is the Nutcracker theme. The Mouse King, the Nutcracker. Oh, fun stickers. You guys know I love stickers. Oh, and then some more ornament hooks that I got yesterday. These are larger ornament hooks. Okay. We got one more bag. This one is a bigger bag. And I could not at all figure out what was in here. You know, sometimes you can figure out like, oh, that's ribbon or something like that, but I could not figure this one out. That's because there's tons of boxes. Let's see what this all is. I bet they are ornaments. Let's see. This is, ooh, this is a $30 gift wrap station. Look at ribbon goes through there. Oh, this is really cool. Very cool right there. And then, let's see, yep. There we go. Some ornaments. Let's see if they all match. That'd be cool if they did. They match close enough. And then silver. Very nice. All right, you guys, I definitely think, because these were what, $14.99, even at 90% off, that would have been $1.49. $3, $4.50 just in this alone paid for that $4 grab bag. But oh my gosh, I'm excited about this one. I think this one is my favorite and best value. So, I mean, this was $30 and I got, what, we did a total of 6 grab bags at $4 each. So, we're good. No, 7. We still beat that. So, and then, I was going to say that's my favorite one, but then this one just came back at me. Okay, make sure if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do, because I'm definitely going to be taking a picture with this. All right, beauties, Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.